Yeah, guys, if you use the strategy perfectly and you master it, you respect all the rules, the conditions, I guarantee you that you will make good profit from it. But nothing magical. Please remember that. Nothing magical about the buy now digital strategy. You need to master it in order to make some profits and some wins. You need to master it. And to master this strategy, we need to invest some time and effort. You need to practice a lot. Yeah, nothing is easy. Obviously, in life, nothing is easy, but I want you to practice, give it some time, be patient, train, practice on demo account, and hopefully you will make good profit. See, today I'm only using this, I'm using USD, Canadian dollar, Euro, Yen. Those two are only a little bit good compared to the others. I couldn't find any other signal, but even those are not, this is not the best day of binary trading using buy now digital, but I will try. Yeah, as I told you, the market is not perfect today. Yes, but it's okay. We did not lose yet. It's a draw. I think, yeah, we will keep trading, but nothing is guaranteed. As you can see, once you learn the strategy, by the way, the strategy is in the description of this video. Purchase the course. You will find everything about the buy now digital in that course. Learn it, practice it, and you will understand. You will understand how you will analyze the market. You will be able to understand the movement of every candlestick. Yeah, hopefully you will master it soon. But I don't guarantee you that you will master it, guys. If you are not willing to put some effort, I'm sorry, please don't buy the course. Just go away. I need you to practice, to give it some time. It's not that easy. The buy now digital strategy is a little bit complicated, but it's good. Once you understand it, once you master it, then you will start making some real money. The withdraw is not a problem. Just remember, never withdraw more than 100% of your previous deposit. For example, if you deposit $1,000, the next time you withdraw, don't withdraw more than $2,000. Try to withdraw less. If you have, for example, $10,000, deposit 1,000, withdraw. I think that this position is also withdraw. I know what's happening. Yeah, this position is also draw, but I will keep trading. It's slow. The market is slow today. Slow. Okay, I will stop the vocals. I'll keep trading. Just follow everything. Try to understand or purchase the course from the link in the description of this video.